Hi, I'm Patrick Tuttle, the real estate guy with Legacy Real Estate Services with today's FAQ Friday for April 16th, 2021. And we've got a question from Carly, and she asks, what should I do to prepare my house for showings? And Carly, we'll be right back with the answer. Alright, so I'm back with the answer, and Carly asks, what should I do to prepare my home for showings? And Carly, that's a fantastic thing. If you want to get a copy of our tips on how to sell a home, just click on the link below and sign up for that, and we'll send you a PDF on the best things that you can do to get your home ready for showings. But on the day of the showing, here are a couple of tips for you. Number one, because of COVID, even though we've got restrictions that are loosening up, masks are good to have, hand sanitizer, gloves, booties, those type things to protect you from who's coming in and to protect those that are coming in from you. Once you're there inside the house, people like to see that all the lights are on. They like to have nice smells like vanilla or cookies, but not a mixture of the two. You need to have one scent that's consistent throughout the house. And please, please, please make it a very light scent, because people like me, some of us are very sensitive to scents, and many times I've walked into a home that an owner has got many, many different scentsies that are burning and putting out scents, and I actually have to walk out because I can't breathe. So be cautious about all of the scents that you put. Make sure that they're light. So lights on, pleasant smells, and toilet seats down, beds made, everything up off the floor. And if you have a pet, please, please, please secure your pet, or better yet, take the pet away from the property. And this may be a challenge if you're at work, but if you can secure your pet to where it's not barking, if it is a dog, that's very distracting, and people can't concentrate on the home and how they would live there. So those are the best tips that I've got for you. Again, if you'd like to get a copy of our 44 tips on what to do to prepare your home for sale, click on the link below. That'll direct you over our webpage, and we can get you that PDF. For now, if you've got questions for me on a future episode of FAQ Friday, let me know. Call me at 915-588-1850. Shoot me a text on that number because it's my cell number, or online, patrick@patricktuttle.com. Thanks for watching. God bless you, and make it a great day. Bye-bye.